Hey, it's Sean here. I've got a iPhone 6 where the headphone jack is messed up. It's actually not even allowing it to plug in. It just kind of falls out. So for this repair, we got to replace out the entire headphone jack, charging port, speaker, no longer the home button part. So first you take out the two screws from the bottom. Then I took my X-Acto knife or something small where there's like a little suction thing. I usually just use an X-Acto because it just gets right underneath it. Pop the screen off, and then you can just gently lift it up. We've got the two bottom screws, which I'll set up here. We need to take off the battery just to protect the phone. You don't have to all the way take the battery out. It shouldn't be an issue. So we'll take that off and we'll unsnap the battery. I can get underneath it. Use a little. Oh, that one's broken. There we go. Okay, so we got that unsnapped. This right here is the charging port. So we'll unsnap that. We got some screws for the speakers, so we'll take and undo these. You can actually also do this first. Just take out the screen, which is you got 5 screws up here, which will take this off that way so we don't have to keep holding it, and we have 2 hands free. Okay, so we got that off. So now we can work with this a little bit more. Alrighty. Let's see here. There's a little cable right here we need to unsnap. Let me get my tweezers. Take these tweezers and we're just gonna unsnap that. This should come right on out. Looks like there we go. So that's out. Set that to the side. And take out the vibrating motor. so that's out. Next we can take out the screws that basically hold everything down. I'll start with the left side, and this will be where the headphone jack is. And there's a little plastic piece that came out from that last screw that we took out, so I'll place that with that last screw. So this bracket comes off. Should be able to just rip that. Okay. Usually I take like these pliers or something and just kind of like go in there and just kind of loosen up the glue a little bit and just trying to push up a little. So that's out. Okay, so we got that. I need to get off this. The microphone right there, you're gonna have to like peel it off of the little housing that it's on. Let's see if we can't get that off. There we go. Peel all that. Okay, so that's all off. So here's the old. And this is the new one. So the microphone, we need to take the little plastic piece that is on this one. That right there. We need to take that off and put it on the new one. So you can just peel it off like so. And then we'll pull the little adhesive off the new one. And there's a little notch in the plastic piece, and this right over here. And you basically want to put that in the notch and just line it up like so. And then you can pull off all the little adhesive on the bottom. Okay. So bring our assembly back over. I like to put in the actual ports first. So like put in the headphone jack, and then once that gets into place, then try and slide the charging port into place. And then you can press down the adhesive. Okay, so that's taken care of. Okay. So now we can go ahead and start screwing it back down. Okay, now we can put the little bracket that covered up the two bigger holes. This metal bracket right here is going to cover up the two holes here, and then we can screw those down. Okay, and then we could put in that smaller screw. This top little screw. And then we can put in this little bracket right here. The small plastic piece, there's a hole to line it up with. And then you can take this screw. Okay, so that's good. And then the screws for the headphone jack. Okay, and then we'll put the vibrating motor back in place. Now this little metal piece came off the old wire right here where that's silver, so we need to put the put that back on here. And it just basically clips in the silver section. Like so. Okay, we can bring the speaker back in. The wire, the speaker goes over top of the wire, sits down. But the little silver thing sandwiches in between. Oh. Flip it over. Okay. Okay, and then the little wire that we attach to that, we need to, there's a little hole that you gotta basically attach it to. And then you can put on the battery or not the, that's the charging port connector. And now we can reattach the screen. Put the plate over the top. Okay, so that's there last, so we can make the battery. Put the plate over the top of that. Okay. And then you can attach the screen back and turn it on. So what you want to check for on this, the vibrating motor, speaker, charging port, headphone jack, and the microphone. That's all controlled by the that charging port. So check for all those, make sure all that is working before, if you're a repair shop, before you give it to your customer, or if that you're doing this yourself, just that you don't have the headache of doing that. If you have any of those issues, and it stems from that charging port, so figure out if a contact isn't connecting right or something. So yeah, if you have any other questions, feel free to leave a comment.